Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Ledger in Laptop. Open your laptop and create a dedicated folder named Ledger, then install a lightweight spreadsheet or plain text editor. Start a new file called Master Ledger. CSV and define columns for date, description, category, debit, credit, and balance. Save often and enable versioning or simple backups to an external drive or cloud to prevent data loss while keeping things easy. Next, set up the structure and rules for your ledger. Open a spreadsheet, label columns clearly, and choose a consistent date format like YIMMDD. Use categories for income, expense, transfer, and reconcile weekly by comparing bank statements. Format numbers with 2 decimals and use simple formulas for running balance. Keep a README file explaining your column conventions so future you understands why entries were made. For daily use, capture transactions right away and assign the correct category each time. Use keyboard shortcuts and templates to speed entries and avoid mistakes, and attach receipts or notes when possible. Reconcile balances at the end of each week and correct any errors with an adjusting entry that explains why. Over time, this disciplined routine turns the single ledger file into a reliable financial snapshot you can trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.